Uh, Hi guys, I'm Smriti Nath from Odisha, Bhubaneswar. So I'm graduated from Trident Academy of Technology, Odisha, Bhubaneswar, and I have come to jspiders in the year of 2023 actually. And yeah, the faculties are very good and understanding, and they are teaching professionally actually. So it helped me to get more strong in my Python skills and developing my reasoning aptitude and all, so that I can crack the interview. So yeah, it helps me a lot. It's basically a US-based company, and another branch is situated at Whitefield actually in Bangalore itself. So yeah, and I got a pretty good package actually. So it's 8 LPA actually. So yeah, it feels me good, and yeah, I'll thank all the faculties in JSPaper.